Good morning. This is our 11th lecture on quantum mechanics. The topic is wave nature of matter or matter waves. The problems. Problems relating the wave nature of matter is the topic of discussion today. And initially we have to remember the formula, important formula we have studied in the last lecture. 4 types. Lambda is h by p, lambda is h by root of tm 2m ev, lambda is root of 150 by v for electron, and lambda is equal to h by root of 2m e for a thermal neutron. 4 formulae. Lambda h by p for any particle, lambda h by root of 2m ev for electron under a volt, v volt, or a proton. Then lambda is root of 150 by v for electron under a potential of e volt, and lambda is h by root of 2m ev for a thermal neutron. Is the energy of thermal neutron. Problem number 1. Find a particle is at rest, calculate its de Broglie wavelength. Solution: lambda is h by p, h by mv, p is mv. Here particle is at rest, v is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda is h by 0 equal to infinity. Infinity is the answer. Problem number 2. The velocity of a body is 1 meter per second. Its mass is 1 kilogram. Calculate de Broglie wavelength. Velocity 1 meter per second, mass on 1 kilogram. De Broglie wavelength കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. Find the de Broglie wavelength of a particle of mass 1 kilogram and velocity 1 meter per second. Lambda is equal to h by p, h by mv equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 by 1 into 1 equals 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 meter. Problem number 3. What is the de Broglie wavelength of an electron moving with 1 by 20th the velocity of light? M is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 32 kilogram. V is 1 by 20 C. 1 by 20 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 equal 1.5 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second. Lambda is h by p, h by mv. H is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34. M is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. And velocity 1.5 into 10 raised to 7. The value we calculated. So the answer is 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter. Next problem. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of an electron accelerated under a potential of 150 volt. Electron accelerate ചെയ്യുന്നത് 150 വോൾട്ടിലാണ്. de Broglie wavelength കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. Lambda is root of 150 by v angstrom. V is 150 volt. Lambda is root of 150 by 150 angstrom equal to root to 1 angstrom. Answer. Next problem. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of an electron accelerated under a potential of 50 volt. Same type problem. Solution: lambda is root of 150 by v angstrom. V 50 volt. Putting the value we get 1.73 angstrom. Next problem. It's an important problem. It is a problem relating thermal neutron. Calculate the wavelength associated with a thermal neutron of energy 0.025 eV. Solution: lambda is h by root of 2m e. H is given And mass of neutron is 1.672 into 10 raised to minus 27. It is almost equal to the proton mass. Proton mass we write as 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. And neutron mass is 1.672 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. If you don't know this value, you can refer tables. In the tables, the physical and mathematical tables, the mass of neutron is given at the end of the tables. E is equal to 0.025 EV is equal to 0.025 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. That is EV to joule conversion. So you substitute lambda is h by root 2m E equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 all by root of 2 into 1.672 into 10 raised to minus 27. That is neutron mass into 0.025 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 equal to 1.81 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Next problem. Calculate the energy of a neutron if its wavelength is 1 angstrom. This is same as the previous problem. In the previous one, we have to find the lambda from E. Here lambda is given. We have to determine energy. So we find a formula for energy. Lambda is h by root of 2m E squaring. Lambda square is h square by 2m E. Therefore, E is equal to h square by 2m lambda square. Substitute the values. 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 whole square by 2 into 1.672 into 10 raised to minus 27 into 10 raised to minus 10 square. That is E is equal to 1.312 into 10 raised to minus 20 joule. And we convert the joule into EV equal to 1.312 into 10 raised to minus 20 by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 EV. The answer is 0.082 EV. E is equal to 0.082 EV. Next problem, number 9. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of an electron having a kinetic energy of 1000 eV. Compare the result with the wavelength of X-rays having the same energy. Electron ഉണ്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ലാംഡ കാരണം എക്സ്റേ ഫോട്ടോൺ അതിൻ്റെ ലാംഡ കാരണം എനർജി സെയിം ആണ്. രണ്ട് ലാംഡയും കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ലാംഡ 1 രണ്ടാമത്തെ ലാംഡ 2. We have to find the wavelength of electron lambda 1. Then we find the lambda of X-ray photon which is lambda 2. We have to find lambda 1 by lambda 2 or lambda 2 by lambda 1. That is the meaning of comparison. So you see solution. Electron energy is equal to 1000 eV. So the potential applied to accelerate electron is 1000 volt. You know, EV is the energy accrued by electron under a potential of 1 volt. So 1000 eV means the potential applied is 1000 volt. So we can use the simple formula. Lambda is root of 150 by V angstrom. V is given 1000 volt. So answer is root of 150 by 1000 angstrom equal to 0.39 angstrom. Say lambda 1. So you remember, for electron, if the voltage applied is 1000, the wavelength, the de Broglie wavelength is 0.39 angstrom. Next problem, problem 9 continuation. Now let us find the wavelength of X-ray photon, X-ray. And for that we use the Planck's equation. E is h nu, hc by lambda. That is lambda is hc by E. E is 1000 eV. 1000 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So we put all the values. The answer is 12.42 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, 12.42 angstrom, say lambda 2. If we find lambda 2 by lambda 1, we get a number greater than 1. So lambda 2 by lambda 1 is equal to, the answer is 12.42 by 0.39, 31.85. That is the answer. If anyone finds lambda 1 by lambda 2, there is no harm. It is also right. Here we have determined lambda 2 by lambda 1. Next problem. Estimate the ratio of the de Broglie wavelength of electron to that of proton when both have the same kinetic energy. And B, the electron K is 1000 eV and that proton is 100 eV. But two problems. ഒന്നാമത്തെ കേസിൽ ഇലക്ട്രോണും പ്രോട്ടോണിനും ഒരേ കെ ആണ് ലാംഡ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. രണ്ടാമത്തതിൽ ഇലക്ട്രോൺ 1000 EV, പ്രോട്ടോൺ 100 EV, ലാംഡ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. Electron case 1, case A, electron and proton with the same kinetic energy. Lambda is h by root of 2m E. For electron lambda 1, h by root of 2m and A, equation number 1. For proton lambda 2, h by root of 2m2e, equation number 2. Since the proton is 1840 times the mass of electron, the proton is 1840 times the mass of electron. We divide the formula 1 by 2, we get lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to root of m2 by m1 equal to root of 1840 m by m. M cancels. Root of 1840 equal to 42.89. That is the wavelength comparison. Lambda 1 by lambda 2. B part of the problem, electron energy is given 1000 eV. We can find lambda using this equation root of 2me, or we can use the previous relation root of 150 by 1000. We saw the answer 0.39. So if we use the formula h by root of 2e, also we get the answer 0.39 angstrom. You values you note. Here m is the mass of electron and E 1000 eV is converted into joule. The answer is 0.39 angstrom. Proton energy 100 eV. Lambda is h by root of 2 E 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 all by root of 2 into 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. That is proton mass. Into 100 into energy, 100 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 equal to 0.0286 into 10 raised to minus 1 meter is equal to 0.0286 angstrom. So lambda 1 by lambda 2, 0.39 by 0.0286 equal to 13.64. That is the answer. That is all with the problems using de Broglie wavelength. We have done all the important problems in de Broglie wavelength, and the lecture number 11 on quantum mechanics is over. In the next lecture we see another topic. Thank you very much.